Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday nighttime routine. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, every night I must wash my face regardless if I had on makeup that day or not. So I'm going to be washing my face, and if you guys have not yet seen my full skincare routine, I will link that down below in the description box. It has all of the products that I use for my skincare routine. And I also have a recent video sharing with you guys how I use microneedling to get rid of my acne scars. So if you are interested in that video, it will be linked down below in the description box as well. So after I cleanse and exfoliate my face, I like to move on to my teeth. So oral hygiene is extremely important, and I like to brush and floss my teeth. To thoroughly clean my teeth, I like to use the Dental Duty Professional Dental Tools Oral Care Kit. And this kit includes 4 tools that will help you have healthier gums, teeth, brighter teeth, as well as fresher breath. So the first tool that I like to use is the dental pick. It's similar to dental floss, but it's a lot easier to manipulate the handle of the dental pick so you can be able to get all of those hard to reach areas in your mouth. So I start at the base of the teeth near the gum line and carefully glide the tip of the dental pick between 2 teeth. The mouth mirror is also a great tool to use. It actually helps you see those areas that you may not be able to see in your mouth. It gives you a very detailed view so you can be able to clean your teeth. The TARTAR scraper is a great scraper to use as well. This is used for the outer and inner surfaces of your teeth. It removes plaques, stains, and tartar from your teeth. By removing stains and tartar from your teeth, you can prevent gum disease as well as have a brighter and whiter smile. This kit also comes with a dental scaler, which is also great at removing plaque and stains from your teeth. After I'm done thoroughly cleaning my teeth, I'll go ahead and use some mouthwash. I like this one by Listerine, and I will go ahead and rinse out my mouth, and I will keep the mouthwash in my mouth for about 60 seconds. I did have Invisalign for a few years, so every night I must wear my retainers because I don't want my teeth to shift back. The next thing I like to do is tone my face. I like this one by Pixie. This is their Glow Tonic, and as you can see, it's personalized. It has my name on it because it was a PR gift, and I was just so in love because I love this toner. It works very, very well at brightening the skin as well as helping to remove discoloration. So I'll go ahead and put a little bit of this stuff onto a cotton ball and apply it to my face. So my lips are often crusty, so I like to put this CeraVe Healing Ointment on my lips at night. And the last thing I like to do is moisturize my face. It's always important for me to moisturize my face at night because I have really dry skin, and I always seal in that moisture with CeraVe's Healing Ointment. So I like to go ahead and pick out my pajamas. I'm going to wear that night, and anything that is silky or satiny I love because it's so comfortable. So now I'm going to give my hair a little bit of attention. I am going to be wearing a wash and go tomorrow, so I'm not going to do too much to it, but I am going to go ahead and massage my hair with this scalp massager. The link will be down below in the description box. I've been using it every single night. It's amazing. Giving myself a nice scalp massage actually helps with relaxation and makes me go to sleep faster, and it also promotes hair growth. I also have a video talking more about the benefits of a head massager down below in the description box if you guys want to check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a bun, and I'm using a satin scrunchie. This satin scrunchie actually came with the pajama set, and the headband came with the pajama set as well. So yeah, that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton. And I'll see you guys next time.